Okay, another £250 50p hunt, again from the 4th of the 11th, 21. So no 70th anniversary coins in this bag, but we didn't do too badly on the last bag. We got an Olympic, we got a puddle duck, didn't we? So pretty cool. What we're gonna find in today's bag? Don't know, there's only one way to find out, isn't there? Okay, first bag. Oh, that was quite tough to open. It's got a pre-tip, but that was quite tough to open, that one. A bit weird. Anyway, there's Britannia. Not looking for Britannias. There is the year 2008, but I don't. Oh, look. 4th coin in. Look at that. The 4th coin. Ha ha. Forget talking about Britannias and shields today. It's Olympics. We're only going to be talking about Olympics. One of my favourites, a net. That's volleyball. There we go. Yeah, I like volleyball and I like tennis. They're my favourites, I think, because I don't know. It's something to do with the grid pattern or something. I don't know. But what a good start. My voice has gone really funny. Why is that? And that's my creepy door. Yeah, amazing. Yeah. So 19 shield. Like I say, I've decided I'm not gonna do that whole shield and Britannia talk. Nah, sod it. I'm not doing it. 2020. There we go. Could this be my first shield? Diversity. Never mind. That's all right now. I'm happy. I've got an Olympic in the 4th coin. Only way is up. Come on. There we go, finished that bag. Peter Rabbit 2017. That's me. Sweaty hands, or is it sort of the humidity? It's quite hot today. There we go, 2017. Peter Rabbit. Oh, let's do this one next because I can see a Victoria Cross heroic act in there. There we go, fell right on top. There we go. Just stop sliding around. Nice one. I'll put that side of the diversity. Alright. Oh well, good start. Oh, there we go, Sherlock, right on top of that stack. Cool one. Very good. 2019 shield. And we got a Paddington. Paddington at the tower. That's probably where he got sent after he saw the Queen. Drunk all her tea. Oh, Scouts. Bit dull, a bit lackluster. But there we go. Nice one to find. Slide these up a little bit. Now we made a bit of room. Make a bit more room. Yay. Number 3. There's the other VC. That is the medals. Cool. Got 2 of them now. Nice one. Oh, we got another Paddington. Paddington at the Palace. There we go. So we want to find 2 more Paddingtons, and we've completed a little Paddington corner. Stolen from Bungle, 2018. People's Act. There we go. He doesn't mind me stealing his ideas. He stole a couple off me over the years. Hey, Olympic, sort of an Olympic, but not really an Olympic. 2016 Rio Olympics, wasn't it? That is in much better condition than the last one of those I found. Last week I found one that was really mucky, really tarnished, dull as anything, but that is in really, really good condition, considering its age. That's a cool find. I won't be keeping hold of it, but it's a cool find. Oh. Come on. Oh, I'm whizzing through these bags today. That's cool. I've got to get ready to go to work and take all this lot back to the bank beforehand. Brexit. There we go. The coin I love to hate, dictionary. There we go. Never mind. Oh wow, that's a very odd Paddington at the Cathedral. What's happened to that? That is a very odd one. There's obviously been a load of muck all over it. Well, it's really thin as well. Really bad. Very dirty. It's been somewhere. Ugh. Oh well, Paddington at the Cathedral. We're looking for the station now, aren't we? We're looking for Paddington at Paddington Station. That's what we're looking for now. Sometimes that's quite an easy one to find, sometimes it's quite tricky, so I seem to find the station but not the palace, or vice versa. So to complete those 4 would be pretty cool. That'd be a nice little end to this video if we can do that before the end. We've got a few bags left. Benjamin Bunny. We've had a few bus bags, but we finally found another commemorative, and it's Benjamin Bunny. 2017 to go with my 3 Peter Rabbits. Another Brexit. A better Paddington at St Paul's. Paddington at the Cathedral. Oh, it's alright. I'm going to try and get rid of a few more I was going to try and get rid of a few more of these coins. Let's finish this hand. There we go, found a nice EEC stars in that one. Got quite a few of these, so I might be tempted to just chuck this one back to the wild, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Right, last 2 bags. Can we please find another Olympic in this last 2 bags? Because you've watched all the way to the end, so hopefully see if I can find anything else decent. And I don't really want to disappoint you guys, but nothing in that bag. That was a bust. Last bag, please be something, anything. I'll take a Paddington at the station. I'll take a 2016 or a 2018, of course. Potter, anything like that'd be good. I've got a feeling it's going to be another bust bag. Don't want to end on a bust bag, do ya? There we go. We got another Paddington at the Cathedral, Paddington at St Paul's. Got 3 of those now, but I want a station. Where's my station? No, no. And as you can see, last one, no, all shields. What's the dates? 15, 15, and a 19. Right, well, I've just remembered. Let's have a look at this Benjamin Bunny. See if there's any die rotation on this. Like, I'm not really sure exactly what I'm meant to be looking for, but that looks alright, doesn't it? I know he's a bit wonky. That looks alright. Anyway, I'll sign that and chuck that back into the pot. 3 Peter Rabbits 2017s, they're all going back. I'll keep the EEC stars, and of course I'm going to keep the Olympics. Very nice, not too bad in the end. Bit of a grotty Olympics. Might see if I can clean that one up a little bit. I've got an idea for a cleaning video, a buffing sort of video, so might use that as the candidate. Right, anyway, that'll do us. Do all the usual YouTube subscriber things for me, please. I really would appreciate that. I know for a fact that most of you that watch these videos are not subscribed, and if you all did, I could easily reach 3,000 subscribers just like that. That would be very much appreciated if you could go and subscribe. Brilliant. But until the next video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect. Cheers. Oh, come on. Can't pick it up. There we go.
Okay, right, so the question was, do you use Facebook? Paul, no, I don't waste time on social media. Life is too short. Well, why are you on air then? That's brilliant, isn't it? No, I don't use social media. My life's too important and it's too short. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab myself a cup of tea, sit down, I'm going to watch YouTube. Honestly, Jerry, you're on fire today, mate. I have no idea you are, mate, but you're on fire today. I love it. I love it. Brilliant. Good on you, mate.